What's up geeks? Now we are going hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A30. This is a new mid-range A series phone and it's going to be launched mid-March apparently. It was announced today, so let's go take a closer look at this device. It's got a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity U screen as you can see, and it's already running One UI. So it's on Android 9 Pie. I really like One UI, so I'm happy that this mid-range phone has got it. Again, this is a full HD Super AMOLED screen. Looks beautiful. Sure, the chin is a bit bigger, but it's a mid-range phone. That's what you get. And then over at the sides, you have the plastic body. It's a fully plastic body, power button, volume rocker. Over at the top, you have the secondary microphone. Over at the left side, you have the micro SIM card slot. And over at the bottom, we have the 3.5mm jack, the USB port, the primary microphone, and the speaker grill. Now, over at the back, you have a different kind of body. This is plastic, as you can see. It's a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but I feel the design is now updated to more realistic, modern terms. It has some kind of this gradient, or what do you call it, reflective pattern that Samsung has used, and it also has a fingerprint sensor at the back. This is a 16 megapixel primary camera at the rear, and there's a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, LED flash, so on. So this A30, what do you think about this? It's a mid-range phone, looks really good. So this phone has a 4000 mAh battery and there is a 16 megapixel front-facing camera as well. We'll be going hands-on with the A50 soon. That's a higher-end mid-range phone from Samsung. Again, what do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comment section below. Watch all our other videos from MWC and the S10 series as well. We'll be coming back with another video soon. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.